So this is really cool. We're at Salt Spring right now. And of course, caution, alligators. But got this really cool tree with the root going up all the way to the tree. You can just see it. I mean, it's kind of alive. It's barely there, but it's alive. And then here's the Salt Spring. It says that sign says 386 feet. Well, at least explored to, so they don't even know. They have no idea how deep it actually is. I guess it's in there. All the mangroves all around. Beautiful reflection on the water. Look at this, it's so calm.